But typically, if you look at any other asset, we'll call it as security. It is a security. Please. Yes. It is, if you have to look at, have you given the shares as a collateral, as a security to an institution? Then we'll call it pledged. Otherwise, we will only call it as encumbered.
Encumbered is something like hundi or something.
Absolutely. In your specific case, hundi or anything, right? Or in sir's case, if you have taken a loan against your property, then that's a mortgage encumbrance.
So if the share is given to the bank, then it is.
If the share is given to the bank, then again it is a case. Thank you, ma'am. It's a case of pledged. Clear case of pledged. Sir?
We discussed that the share which is a listed company, is listed, their share can be traded.
Correct.
In the market. For example, a particular company, they are manufacturing some product. Today, there is nothing like that their sales have gone up. Company has expanded, announcement of expansion, or company is going in a debt. Anything, no announcement is made. Then also the share price of company goes up by 10 rupees, 20 rupees. How it happens?
Some demand in the market. Somebody, right? Any share price going up is always demand and supply, sir. So there will be some people who have taken some, I would not be able to comment like this, optimistic view on the company, or more dangerously, there might somebody who might be speculating on the shares, right? So you'll have.
That means it is legalized gambling?
At the end of it, markets are legalized gambling. Right? All said and done, it is.
Market is legalized gambling.
Absolutely. If you ask me, as 20 years, if you realize that we do a lot of analysis, but it is gambling. It's taking a call. And we don't have formulas by which I can say that, it's a good question, that after 1 year it will be 21,000 Sensex, right? It's a perception. But does it mean that you should stay away from the markets? No. Right? Some part, don't borrow and invest. Some part should go into the markets. And since a dear colleague wanted personal investments, I would recommend you all to go through the markets. ऐसा मत करो कि market से दूर हो. You're all very young. Go through the markets through an agency known as mutual funds. And I personally, I have benefited a lot. One is direct investment through some mutual funds, and I have no problem sharing some of them, since a dear colleague wanted me to say that. Some good mutual funds. See, one is, do you have the time for analysis? Then, like, sir, then no problem. Then do all this, do analysis, do this, speculation. I'm not sure you have the time. If you have the time, do it. If you don't have the time, still don't run away from equity markets. It gives you returns, 20, 25%, right? Good returns. But be very clear, you have to select proper mutual funds. The one I would recommend, I'll edit this out. Because I don't want to market anybody, but I have gained a lot. So you wanted me to say this. Is HDFC Top 200. Now that's a solid fund, Top 200, right? HDFC Top 200. Now this fund has given phenomenal returns. And second fund, I'm not marketing. Dear colleague Nitulji came to me and said, please talk. So I have no problems. Second fund which I have benefited, and I have no problems sharing. I know these fund managers too. Pretty good, yeah. They're doing a pretty good job. Second is Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity. Now these two are mutual funds, but please note, I'm not asking you to borrow. Surplus hai, dal dijiye, you will see the returns coming in. Frontline Equity. Frontline Equity, Pankaj. Birla Frontline Equity. Yes, sir.
Public listed company. Assets.
Allowed. If they take bank loans, right? If you say, because any loan that they take will be against the asset, so they can pledge their machinery.
Be reflected in the balance sheet.
Yeah. And very nice. You're asking as a question. I'm taking it as a brilliant noting. It will be reflected in the balance sheet in notes to accounts. Notes to accounts. No. Even unlisted companies have to disclose that. What is the loan that you have taken against what assets that you have to give, right? One sec. Let's say anything else from your side? Right. Thank you. अच्छा आप पीछे है क्या? Sorry. Very sorry. HDFC Top 200. सर ये दोनों में वो पहला वाला has been filled. सरप्लस है तो डालिए सर. 20-24%.
Use the word play because it is basically a gambling.
Yeah. In fact, that's why the moment you said, I didn't hide it also. I smiled and said it is legalized gambling. At the end of it, right, it is, but don't bet your son's education on that. I see some rascal, that's wrong. इतना उसमें क्रेजी हो जाता है कि सब गिरवी रख के खेलने जाएगा तो देन इट इज स्टूपिड, राइट. सरप्लस पैसा है लगा के रखो, देन डोंट बार बार. सेकंड थिंग दैट वी डू इज आल्सो वेरी गुड, यू नो, राइट. आज इन्वेस्ट करेगा, आधा घंटे में भाव जाके देखते हैं, अरे एंड देन यू से sometimes you are all very good in such forums. I'll tell you, I do it for another organizations. I keep doing this because I love to share whatever limited information I have, knowledge, right? Sometimes you go to people and they'll say, I want to invest for long term. You feel happy. You say, very good. Oh, how long is long term? 3 months. Right? 3 months is long term investment, right? And please remember one very important thing. Equity markets don't stay away. See, if anybody would have been senior here now, I would have said, sir, stay away, ma'am, stay away. You're all in an age group where you need to have that multiplier effect. Now that sir wanted me to repeat it, anything on mutual funds you should refer to. Now I'm not taking questions on mutual funds, right? No, I have no problems. Within the time allocated, it's a pleasure here. But anything further on mutual funds, you can send me a mail. More importantly, this is the website you can go. Beautiful analysis, this website, mutualfundsofIndia.com. आपको टाइम नहीं है एनालाइज करने को, गो टू दिस वेबसाइट एंड दे विल एनालाइज, दे विल पुट ए स्टार एंड से गुड, बैड, अगली. अनदर वेबसाइट विच इज प्रीटी गुड इज valueresearchonline.com. Anything on mutual funds. In fact, can I request one thing? मैं भी जो बोला, please go to this website and see the rating for HDFC Top 200 and then convince yourself. This is a publicly available free, right, disclosure source. Online.com, bete. Valueresearchonline.com. Coming back. The next one that I would like to take up is paid up. Now, these questions. I'll take further questions. One sec. I just thought I'll finish this right here. What is this reserves? Ma'am has been asking this. What is paid up shareholding? Right, these two and we'll finish this. Okay. What is reserves? Now, this is where you should not think. See, I said in finance, 90% of the time, the term gives the answer out. I didn't say 100%. I said 90%. Now that 10%, oh, reserve mein wo word use mat karo. Because reserve, Siddharth sir, when you think, you may think reserve means you want to keep, I want to reserve for my, like I want to reserve something for my son's education. I want to reserve something for my daughter's marriage. वो वाला फंडा मत कीजिए इसमें. This is that extra 10% where you have to be careful. So what is this reserves? Pay attention. Now it will take off. Okay. What is this reserves? What is shareholders' funds in the company? It is equity. Here we go. What is shareholders' funds in the business is, so these two I'll explain now with your permission. All the jargons are here. We have one more break. You can come back, ask me if there's anything you want to ask, right? I've given you the sheets. I'm finishing this off. Equity, shareholders' funds is equity, we said. Equity is of two types. One is known as issued capital and, right, reserves and surplus. Issued capital plus reserves and surplus. So now I'll take total charge, 10 minutes, not more than that. You will understand this, pay attention, right? Very easy. Let me simplify it also. Here we go, I'm rubbing this. You saw the numbers, you saw the actual statements. Thank you for the questions. Here we go. What is issued capital? Issued capital is, I've written it right there, I'm just picking it up here, is nothing but number of shares into face value. Number of shares into face value. Colleagues, I have not gone into markets specifically because today's course was finance for non-finance, but and I see a lot of colleagues interested in financial markets, which is very good side. Website has some free lectures on this. So if you want to understand what's a bonus issue, what is a stock split, how do we invest, just go onto that website, click, and you will see this. In fact, this lecture video also, I'm going to upload it. Let people learn, yeah, I'll be happy. But please understand, I want you all to get this entire perspective through corporate finance. Today, there's been that discussion. So my question is, what is face value, right? I'm not getting into markets per se, because today has not been that agenda. But I want to ask you a question, what is face value? Issued capital is, right? Issued capital plus reserves and surplus. What is face value? Banerjee sir, let me ask you, what is face value, sir? Original value. Hema ma'am? Original value. Okay. I am smiling because I have given you the rule. Don't be wonderstruck, never. 90% of the time, the term gives the answer out. Face value is the value on the face of the instrument. Face value is the value on the face of the instrument. Simple. Printed value, okay. Take a 100 rupee note. It is written on that 100 rupee note, I promise to pay the bearer. Thank you for the smile, most gratifying. I promise to pay the bearer of this note a sum of 100 rupees. Face value 100. It depends who has written it though, right? That's face value. Simple. As simple as that. So what is face value? Thank you. Printed value. Every का मुझे मालूम नहीं यार रिलायंस का क्या है फेस वैल्यू ठीक है ना राजेश सर जरा एक बार शेयर ला के दीजिए ना रिलायंस का अरे this young friend Rohan I don't know this company at all but what is the face value can I get one share of your company share के ऊपर लिखा रहेगा face value and now you will understand in 5 minutes why do you have a concept of face value can I say something normally companies keep their face value as 10 rupees right please thank you and what companies do is typically companies, so let us say face value is 10 rupees and then they charge us premium. So they issue that shares at let's say 100 rupees. That means they are charged something more than the face value. Thank you. Something more premium. The word premium means more. That means they have charged a premium of 90 rupees. So how is this breakup coming and why face value? 5 minutes I'll tell you why face value. But first, how is the breakup? Breakup samjhiye. Company let us say has issued 1 lakh shares. So 1 lakh shares into face value of 10. So this is 10. Right? Yes, it is liability, specifically equity, issued capital. Excuse me, one sec. Issued capital is 10 lakhs. Now I'll rub this. But the company has charged a premium of 90 rupees, which is shareholders' money. So share premium, it will go under reserves and surplus, specifically under premium reserves, because it was premium. So how is this breakup done? When the company, please watch the breakup, the company issued shares, 1 lakh shares at 100 rupees. You have to break it up and show it, right? And say 10 rupees face value, issued capital is 1 lakh into 10, premium reserves is 1 lakh into 90. So shareholders' money in this company is, right? Shareholders' funds in this company is, it is 1 into 100. But why the breakup? 2 minutes I'll explain. Is 10 plus 90, that is 100. Can I give you one more jargon? Next time somebody asks you what is shareholders' funds, please don't say issued capital plus reserves and surplus. Use a simpler term, sir, which you will enjoy doing, ma'am. Just say that it is nothing but net worth. What is net worth? Net worth is nothing but issued capital plus reserves and surplus. So if you look at equity, next time, ma'am, in any interview you are asked, what is equity? Equity is net worth. And what is net worth? Issued capital plus reserves and surplus. In MNCs, Yashwantji, a real pleasure meeting you after such a long time. Please note, in MNCs like your company, they call it as net owned funds. They call this as net owned funds. They call it as net worth in India, Faridji, your company net worth. Right? Your company, sir, they call it as NOF. एक ही है. Net owned funds. Owners funds is equity. Now, बार बार आपके मन में ये आता होगा, 2 क्वेश्चन आया होगा, why this breakup? अरे breakup क्यों चाहिए? Either way it's 100 only, 1 into 100 breakup क्यों? Now I'll explain this. Why the breakup and what does this word surplus mean? 2 questions which will be in your mind. I can sense that. which I'll answer. So first, let me just write this. Net worth is nothing but 100. Net worth is nothing but 100. Why this breakup? What is the reason for this breakup? Abhi aap samjhiye. What is this reason for this breakup? Right? For that, I'll go back. Right? And you have already written it for me. Profit and loss statement. Aapne likha hai. I don't want to keep asking you all. Income less expenses. छोड़ो ना अभी मैं फटाफट फिनिश कर रहा हूँ. PBT less tax. You'll get PAT. Pay attention, I'm finishing it off. Why the breakup? Okay? And what does the word surplus? Khatam. It's all over. Right? I'm telling you, it's very simple. Only thing you have to remember, for the first time today I said that, don't apply that rule of jargon. Reserves, basically, what we think is keeping aside. In this case, it means something else. This is the only exception. Otherwise, face value, all this concept was there with you. Okay. Now I'm asking a simple question and I want Sushilji to respond. PAT belongs to whom, dear friend? So you're so spontaneous. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. PAT belongs to shareholders. See, it comes very naturally. Once you get the logic, no, then you enjoy the subject. PAT belongs to shareholders. In fact, you all calculated PAT and EPS also. I forget who was one of the colleagues. Pankajji, was it you? PAT and EPS, you all did it. So PAT belongs to shareholders. Thank you. What are the two things the company can do with PAT? One, PAT belongs to shareholders. What is the first thing that the company can do with PAT? The company can give dividends. So what is it that the company can do with PAT is the company can pay dividends. What is dividends? Dividends is nothing but distribution of profits. What is dividends? Thank you, sir. Dividends is nothing but distribution of profits.